What is price discrimination through weighting? And this is basically going to be a strategy that firms can use to price discriminate. Because, perfect price discrimination is where the firm charges exactly how much a person is willing to pay for that. And that's neither possible nor legal. But it certainly is legal to change one's price. So obviously, if you start the price of a product out really high, you might only get a certain share of the market. You might only get sort of the top 10% of spenders, the top 10% of people who are willing to pay a greater share. So you might charge that price to begin with, year one, price in year one. And then in year two, there's other people who are willing to buy the product, just not at that high price. So after all of these people have bought the product, then the next year you lower the price so that you capture another share of the market. Here's the price in year two. And then year three, you can lower the price even further, in which case you capture another segment of the market. And in that way, you're kind of price discriminating without it being illegal, and without even needing to know each individual what they value the product at. Now, of course, if people expect this, you could have some of these people up here who say, well, I'd be willing to pay this much, the product's on the market, but I know the price is going to go down. Because, of course, can you stop people from knowing that this is a strategy firms use and from waiting to see, will the price go down? Because even this person who would pay the highest price might be willing to wait to get this extra benefit to themselves of the lower price. But certainly if you can do this unexpectedly, where you set the high price, these people buy it without realizing the price is going to drop, this strategy will work. And oftentimes the people who would pay the highest price anyway are the ones who want the product first. They want to be the first to buy it. They want the first edition. So the price discrimination through weighting model works pretty well as a firm's strategic approach to price discrimination.